Hello and salam friends. We have an image of model. Second image is a scenery. Third image is for birds. We will create an effect like that, with the help of all 3 or 4 images. How we will create this effect? Let's get started without any delay. First, select image of model. We will create selection. Go to select, then subject. It will select subject, I mean model. We don't need to precise. Create a mask and move image down. So we will get space above the image for effect. We want to give effect on face. Now come to scenery and unlock the layer. Make selection according to out need. For example, I need this area of scenery. Go to image, then crop. So this is image of scenery I need. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. I need to replace sky of this cropped scenery. Go to edit, then sky replacement. Fade edge amount is 100. Make it 0. Leave other setting as it is and then press OK. Select the layer of sky. We will pick light blue color from scenery. Then hit OK. Press Alt plus Delete. It will fill the sky of scenery. With same light blue color we picked before. Sky of scenery is filled with light blue color. Collapse the group and select it. Press Shift and select layer of scenery as well. Right-click on both and select Convert to Smart Object. Both group and layer of scenery will convert into Smart Object. Drag and drop the scenery on main document. Reduce opacity so we can adjust scenery. Press Ctrl plus T to transform and adjust scenery on model image. Right-click on it and flip horizontal. We will adjust scenery on model image. It's look better here, so place it here. Increase opacity back to 100%. Press Ctrl plus J to make duplicate layer. Temporarily disable this duplicate layer. There is mask on model image. Press Alt and move this mask on above layer of scenery. Select model image layer. Press Ctrl and create a blank layer below of all layers. Foreground color is set to light blue. Press Alt plus backspace to fill blank layer. It will fill with foreground light blue color. Select the mask of scenery. Pick a soft round brush with 25% opacity. It should soft round brush. Make sure foreground and background colors are default. Increase size of brush and paint model image face to reveal it. Keep stroking where it looks fine to us. Enable duplicate layer of scenery. Press Alt and create an inverted mask on it. Select mask and make sure foreground color is white. Increase opacity to 100%. Pick hard round brush and start painting. It will reveal scenery. Adjust brush size small accordingly. And keep painting scenery to reveal. Where we see extra scenery, we will delete it. So keep painting nicely and adjust scenery on model image. Select model image layer and create photo filter layer. Don't forget to clip it so effects will apply on layer below. Choose green from filter menu. Select layer of scenery. Change blend mode from normal to darken. Select layer of scenery and create black and white layer. Clip it and choose maximum black from preset. Press Ctrl and click on mask of model image. It will create selection. It is easy to delete from outside of reveal from inside with selection. We will reveal from inside selection. Select layer of photo filter and increase density to 50%. Color tone will match will green trees. I have an image of cloud. Unlock layer, drag and drop on main document. Move this layer above all layers. Change blend mode from normal to screen. Reduce opacity to 80%. Adjust cloud at the top of image. Press Ctrl plus J to make duplicate layer. Press Ctrl plus T to transform and reduce size of cloud. Move it on right side and flip horizontal. Reduce its size more and place it near to first cloud image. I have an image of birds. Unlock layer, drag and drop on main document. Press Ctrl plus T to transform and make image bigger. This layer should above of all layers. Change blend mode from normal to multiply. Create a mask on bird image layer. Select soft round brush with 100% opacity. We will delete edges from image of birds. Change blend mode to normal to see edges clearly. Now we can remove edges easily. So these edges will not disturb. We will delete some birds from image. Now change blend mode to multiply. We will remove birds from the face of model image. This is a double exposure effect. And we learned it today. How we apply double exposure effect on a simple image. Select image of model and press Ctrl plus J to make duplicate layer. Model image has more clarity now. Change blend mode from normal to overlay. Select top layer and create a blank layer. Press Alt plus backspace. Fill it with light blue foreground color. Change blend mode from normal to overlay. Go to Filter, Texture, Texturizer. Select Canvas for texture. Scaling 100%. Make relief 2, and light is bottom left. Then press OK. There is a texture on whole image. Create color lookup layer at top of all layers. We will choose tension green 0.3 DL filter. Reduce opacity to 50%. So, here double exposure image is ready. I hope you like this video. Comment on this video. Like and subscribe. I will talk to you later. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.